Good morning, listeners. My name is J. Vijaya Bharati. I am studying in 7th standard at SVS Middle School. Today we are celebrating National Science Day observed on 28th February every year. This day marks the discovery of the Raman effort by the great Indian scientist C.V. Raman and reminds us of the importance of science in our daily life. Science helps us understand the world around us and encourages logical thinking and curiosity. It plays a major role in improving healthcare, communication, agriculture, and technology. Science is not only about experiments in laboratories but also about observing nature and solving everyday problems. National Science Day inspires students to ask questions, think creatively, and develop a scientific attitude. Let us use scientific knowledge responsibly for the welfare of society and the protection of our environment. By promoting innovation and critical thinking, science can help us build a better and a brighter future. National Science Day is celebrated in our school every year. This year also it will be celebrated on February 28th. Therefore, we warmly welcome everyone to attend the celebration. Thank you.